4-room, two-storey village house with backyard, outbuildings and terrace. This house, located in a village of the municipality of Vila Velha de Ródão, offers some potential for valorization through renovation, which is also taken into account. The for sale price includes this granite ruin with 57 square meters, former haystack, built before 1951 and so exempt from license, which can be transformed, for example, into a garage. The house is inserted in a plot with 150 square meters and has a total built area of 184 square meters. Let's go to the upper floor now. Here we have the terrace, which includes a large division and sweeping views over the village and the countryside. This space, where the good condition of the roof is visible, can be improved and used as an additional and independent area. A view over the 3 exterior buildings in the backyard. Let's see the backyard. Here, next to the entrance, in addition to a barred space, are the 3 outbuildings, 2 for storage. And the other, a bathroom, less practical nowadays, but a vestige of other times, still present in these old houses. Finally, inside the house, the ground floor comprises a kitchen with fireplace, a pantry, the living room, and, separated by a corridor with access to the outside by an independent entrance, are the 3 bedrooms, all with natural light. This area in need of further intervention.